Hey guys, it's Tion. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Amazon Alexa to change your voice to the new male voice that was released last week. Now, in order to do this, you can use the Amazon Alexa application, or you can just ask your Echo to do it for you. So we're going to use the easy way, and then we're going to do it the hard way. So I have my wake word as Echo, so I'm going to go ahead and ask him to change his voice. Echo, change your voice.
Okay, you're all set. I'll be the voice you hear when you speak to this device.
And now we're going to change it back to the female voice. So, Echo, change your voice.
Okay, you're all set. I'll be the voice you hear when you speak to this device. If you'd like to change how you wake me up, you can also change your wake word.
All right. So the other way to do this is by using the application. So if you're using the application, you're going to open it up. And once you're inside of the application, you're going to click on the Devices tab. And inside of the Devices tab, you're going to go ahead and click on All Devices. And inside of the All Devices tab, you're going to click on the devices that you'd like to make changes to. I have mine called Tion's Echo, so we're going to click on that. And inside of Tion's Echo, or whatever your device is named, you're going to click on Device Settings. So we're going to go up here, we're going to go over here, and we're going to click here. All right. Now inside Device Settings, you're going to go under General. So we're going to go down there right now, and once you're inside of General, you're going to go to Amazon Voice, or Echo's Voice, or whatever it says on your device. Now, once you're inside of this setting, you're going to see two options here. They're going to be called New and Original. New is the male voice, and Original is the old voice. Now, if I were to click on the original voice here, you'd hear Alexa start speaking, just to let you know what she would sound like if she was in that voice. Now, I'm not sure if you guys would hear this because it's my first time using QuickTime Player on Mac, so yeah. If I selected it right now, I could then ask Echo to tell me something like the weather. Echo, what's the weather?
Right now in East Orange, it's 73 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has lots of clouds, with a high of 92 degrees and a low of 71 degrees.
Okay, now if I go ahead and switch it to new, you'll hear the voice that you heard earlier. Echo, what's the weather?
Right now in East Orange, it's 73 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has lots of clouds, with a high of 92 degrees and a low of 71 degrees.
All right. And once you're finished, you can exit out of this setting. Now, to change the wake word to Ziggy or whatever wake word you want to use, you can go back and we can go down to where it says wake word. So we're going to go down, 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 down. There we go. Amazon's voice. There we go. Not sure what happened earlier. And in here you can see there's a new one called Ziggy, so you can change it to Ziggy, and the other three are also there as well. So you don't have to have the wake word as Ziggy in order for it to work. I can change it to computer, and then the Echo will update, and then you'll be able to use computer. I can change it back to Alexa, I can change it back to Amazon, and you'll still be able to use the male voice. Alright, so that's how you get Amazon's new wake word and voice on the Echo Dot or whatever device you're using. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys whenever I decide to make another video.